Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel techsmartbest. Now I am reviewing the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus, also known the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G. Before if more watching video about smartphone, so please check the description. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus of dimension 158.272.6 by 9 mm. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus of body glass front, ceramic back, ceramic frame. Now we are talking about the Huawei P40 Pro Plus of SIM, single SIM, nano SIM, eSIM or hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 am for 30 minutes. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus of display OLED capacitive touchscreen 16mm color, display size 6.58 inch, resolution 1200 by 2640 pixels. The operating system of Huawei P40 Pro Plus: Android 10.0, AOSP HMS, EMUI 10.1. Chipset HiSilicon Kirin 995G, CPU Octa-core, GPU Mali-G76 MP16. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus offer memory card slots, nano memory up to 256 GB, uses share SIM slot. Internal memory 256 GB and 8 GB RAM, 512 GB and 8 GB RAM, UFS 3.0. The Huawei P40 Plus offer camera. The main camera is available 5 cameras: 15 MP wide camera, periscopic 8 MP telephoto camera, 8 MP telephoto camera, 40 MP ultra wide camera, TOF 3D depth. The selfie camera and also available dual camera. The 22 MP wide camera, IR TOF 3D deep biometric sensor. Loudspeaker is available, but a 3.5 mm jack is not available in this smartphone. The Huawei P40 Plus offer connectivity: Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.1 A2DP LE, GPS with the dual band AGPS GLONASS BDS Glio quizzes. NFC and infrared port is available, but radio is not available in this smartphone. USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Sensor: infrared face recognition, fingerprint, under display optical, accelerometer, Glio proximity compass, color spectrum. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus offer battery: fast charging 40W, fast wireless charging 40W, fast reverse wireless charging 27W. Color: white ceramic, black ceramic. If watching more video about smartphones, so please check the description, or any question about smartphones, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.